Welcome to video number 6 of Waqar Teaches. Today we're looking at the sample exam question 6, which is about proportions. Proportions, like we've already covered, shows how when one thing changes, how another thing changes. It shows you the relationship between two ratios that are equal. You can use multiplication property of equality to illustrate the important property of proportions. These are some of the things that you can use to help you. You have to make sure that when you're comparing real world examples, that you keep the same information in the same place to work out the proportions. So for example, if you have the number of cars and the cost, then you need to make sure that you compare it with the cars and cost. You need to keep things in the same. If you have cars and cost on one side, but on the other side you have cost and cars, then it will give you a bad information. It won't give the correct answer. So you need to make sure that you have cars and cars on the same side and the cost on the same side. That's just an example, but it's just giving you an idea that you need to keep the information constant. So question 6 says, if 8 labourers can load 600 bags of cement onto a truck, how many labourers are needed to load 900 bags? Okay, the first thing you need to do is understand what it is that you're comparing. So we're comparing labourers. These are people who work doing heavy work and manual, like work with their hands as their job, and bags. So let's make a proportion equation with these. If you have labourers and bags, this is equal to labourers and bags. Okay, so we need to keep the information in the same place. So labourers at the top and bags at the bottom. Now, in the first part of the question, we have 8 labourers and 600 bags. And in the second part, we only have 900 bags. We don't know how many labourers, so that's what we need to find. So we can put here X labourers on 900 bags. And as we did in the previous video, you can rewrite this as X is equal to 900 multiplied by 8 divided by 600. Now, when we work this out, we have X is equal to 7,200 divided by 600, and we remove the zeros, and then 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. So we need 12 labourers to can load 900 bags. If you look at the question, this is answer choice C. So the main thing that you need to remember from this kind of question is that when you make your equation, you need to put the correct information in the correct place. So labourers will both be at the top, bags will both be at the bottom. And you should always keep this constant. That's the main thing to remember. Okay, I hope that helps. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you.